The hydrogen horizon, charting aviation's zero-emission future. Is this the dawn of a new era? Today we're peering into a future where the very air we breathe is cleaner, and the roar of the jet engine might just be replaced by the quiet hum of something truly revolutionary. Forget what you thought you knew about sustainable aviation, because the race for hydrogen-powered flight isn't just a concept anymore. It's a rapidly accelerating reality, and it promises to fundamentally reshape our world above the clouds. For decades, the dream of zero-emission flight has felt like a distant sci-fi fantasy. Electric planes are slowly making their mark on regional routes, and sustainable aviation fuels are growing. But for true long-haul climate-neutral travel, we need a game changer, and that game changer is increasingly looking like hydrogen. Why hydrogen? The turbocharge towards true zero emissions. Why hydrogen? Why now? The clock is ticking. The aviation industry faces immense pressure to decarbonize, and while SAFs are a crucial bridge, they still involve combustion and require massive infrastructure. Hydrogen, however, offers the tantalizing prospect of true zero emissions at the point of flight. When hydrogen burns or reacts in a fuel cell, its only byproduct is water vapor. No CO2, no soot, no harmful pollutants directly from the exhaust. This isn't just about reducing our carbon footprint, it's about eliminating it entirely for the flight itself. It's about preserving our planet while still enjoying the unparalleled connectivity that air travel provides. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a paradigm shift. How it works. The science behind the sky's next frontier. But how do you actually fly a plane on hydrogen? There are two primary pathways, both incredibly exciting. Hydrogen combustion. In this method, hydrogen is burned directly in modified jet engines, much like traditional jet fuel. The advantage? It leverages existing engine technology with adaptations. The challenge? While it produces no CO2, it still creates some nitrogen oxides, NOx, which are pollutants, and water vapor can contribute to contrails. But even with these, the environmental benefit over kerosene is monumental. Hydrogen fuel cells. This is where the magic truly happens for many advocates. Fuel cells convert hydrogen into electricity through an electrochemical reaction, which then powers electric motors to turn propellers. Think of it as a giant, incredibly powerful battery that never needs recharging as long as it has hydrogen. The beauty here is zero emissions, both CO2 and NOx, and significantly less noise. This is the holy grail for many, enabling a truly quiet and clean flight experience. Both approaches are being vigorously pursued by aerospace giants and nimble startups alike, each with their own strengths and target markets. The road ahead, overcoming the hurdles, igniting innovation. Now, let's be real, this isn't just flipping a switch. Hydrogen flight presents some significant engineering and logistical challenges. Storage is key. Hydrogen, especially in its gaseous form, takes up a lot of space. To make it viable for commercial aviation, it needs to be stored as liquid hydrogen, LH2, which requires cryogenic temperatures of around 253 degrees Celsius. This means developing revolutionary fuel tanks, insulated, durable, and integrated seamlessly into aircraft design without compromising passenger space. Engineers are looking at everything from new wing designs to fuselage integrated tanks. Infrastructure, infrastructure, infrastructure. Airports around the world are simply not equipped to handle liquid hydrogen refueling on a massive scale. We're talking about a complete overhaul of ground operations, from production and transportation to storage and refueling systems. This will require monumental investment and unprecedented global collaboration. Weight and safety. While hydrogen is light, the cryogenic tanks are heavy. Balancing range, payload, and tank weight is a complex equation. And of course, safety is paramount. Hydrogen is flammable, so advanced safety protocols and leak detection systems are non-negotiable. But here's the exciting part. These challenges are spurring incredible innovation. Companies like Airbus are unveiling concepts for hydrogen-powered aircraft, like their Zero family, targeting entry into service by 2035. Startups like ZeroAvia are already testing smaller hydrogen electric powertrains on regional aircraft, demonstrating the technology's viability in flight. This isn't just theoretical. It's being built and tested right now. A new era. Who's leading the charge and when? The momentum is palpable. Airbus, a titan in aviation, is leading the charge for larger commercial aircraft, with their Zero program exploring turbofan, turboprop, and blended wing body designs, all powered by hydrogen. Their 2035 target is incredibly ambitious, but reflects the industry's commitment. Companies like Universal Hydrogen are developing modular swappable hydrogen capsules, aiming to simplify refueling and accelerate adoption for existing aircraft conversions. And ZeroAvia is making headlines with successful test flights of hydrogen electric demonstrator aircraft, proving the concept for regional routes and showing a clear pathway to larger applications. This isn't a single company's moonshot, it's a global collective effort involving manufacturers, airlines, energy companies, and governments all working towards a common goal. The impact: a transformed sky, a greener journey. What does all this mean for us, the travelers, and for the industry? For airlines, it means a pathway to drastically reduced operating costs in the long run, freedom from volatile fossil fuel prices, and a powerful tool to meet climate goals and attract environmentally conscious passengers. For airports, it means a monumental infrastructure upgrade, transforming them into energy hubs. And for us, the passengers, it means the promise of guilt-free travel. Imagine boarding a flight knowing that your journey is contributing of zero emissions to the atmosphere. It means potentially quieter cabins and an incredible sense of being part of a sustainable future. The hydrogen horizon for aviation isn't a distant dream, it's emerging rapidly. The technological breakthroughs, the massive investments, and the sheer ambition driving this movement suggest that within our lifetime we could be boarding routine flights powered by nothing more than the most abundant element in the universe. The future of flight is not just electric, it's hydrogen powered, and it's coming sooner than you think. Settings: video length between 10-15 minutes,